Hi friends and Namaste. I think you have seen the first video on surrogate EFT. Now I would like to enter the procedure. As I have explained to you earlier, we use surrogate EFT to help someone else or to influence something else than our own selves. In this case, we first need to identify as to what is it that we need to put back into balance. What is it that we want to unblock? It could be anything. Most of the time, people use surrogate EFT to help others with their health issues. So suppose we think of a health issue that we want to help the other with. It could be anyone. It could be our friend, it could be our child, it could be our mother, our husband, our father, anyone. Now, suppose the friend has a headache. It's just an example that I'm giving you so that you would know how to apply the surrogate EFT protocol. Suppose the friend has a headache or any physical ailment that you can think of, and the friend tells you that he has a headache. Now what you should do is just tune in to that friend. What do I mean by tuning in? Tuning in is to just close your eyes, go within and feel that you are that friend. You should feel that you are the other person. It is just a question of feeling. You just say that I am X. You just don't say it. You should mean that you are the other person. It's only a question of make-believing that you are the other person. Now suppose the other person has a headache. What do? First of all, you feel that you are the other person and then make a statement. Many a time people ask as to how would I know what are the reasons for the other person's headache. I think at times you should just probe and find out what the reason could be. It could be anything. It could be overtaxing of work. It could be any other psychological reason. It could be stress. It could be anything. But suppose you don't get to know the reason as to why the other person is having the headache, there is no reason to bother about. What you should do is you should make a statement and just tap on the karate chop point by saying that even though I have been having this headache for a long time, which is making me very, very uncomfortable, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I am having this headache, which has been bothering me, which is making me very, very uncomfortable, I deeply and totally love and accept myself. Then you phrase a short statement like this headache and just tap on the other point saying this headache, this headache, this discomfort, this discomfort, this headache, this headache, this headache, this headache. I think you should repeat this tapping procedure for 2 or 3 times and just leave it at that. One thing that is very important for you to understand as far as surrogate EFT is concerned is that after you tap for someone, just let go. Don't get attached to the result. After 5 minutes, don't just ring up the other person and find out whether his headache has vanished or not. Don't do that. I think just let go. Tap and let go, and believe me, this is the secret. I have been surrogately tapping for people for a long time now, and I have been having miraculous results. In the initial stages, even I used to be very curious, inquisitive to find out how it has affected the other person. So this anxiety many a time destructively interfered with the result. So it is very, very frustrating at times. So as I started going deeper and deeper into understanding the mechanics of all these, I realized that if I just tap and let go, the universal matrix starts shifting at a very, very subtle level, and something very significant and miraculous starts taking place. So friends, I think you have understood the basic protocol, which is very, very simple. Don't allow the simplicity of this procedure let you get away from it. Just to revise what I have said earlier, if you want to tap for someone else, just feel that you are the other person. Just go within, tune with him, and then tap on your karate chop points, saying the statement, and then make a short phrase and tap on the other points of the body, and just get out of the way. If you can do that, you would allow the universe to come in the way and make miracles. Friends, I have tried to explain to you a very significant and a very, very effective technique that is very widely used in EFT. Please work with it, use it as far as possible. I don't mean to say that don't ask the other person whether he is feeling good or not, but don't be anxious about it. And if you followed this, I think you would be a miracle maker. Keep watching my videos and keep posting your responses on my videos. Even keep asking me questions so that I can give the answers from my dimension. Probably they would help you in your process of going deeper into the rabbit hole. Thank you, and keep watching my videos.